Students, I'm very excited about a feature that we have introduced. You must have seen a lot of our effort is going into ensuring that you are focused on NCERT, and everything that you do is around NCERT because NTA has clearly communicated in papers it has conducted in last 2 years that they will focus on NCERT. So what are we doing? We are helping you understand NCERT. We are helping you understand NCERT through our videos and practice questions. Then we are helping you doing question practice from NCERT, and after that solution back to NCERT. What does this mean? Solution back to NCERT. Let me explain to you. We were working very hard on it. Now it is beginning to arrive. We tell you that watch videos and take notes. After that read NCERT so that you are able to understand what NCERT is trying to say. When you watch videos and take notes, you will understand what is written in NCERT, then come to NCERT and read NCERT. After that, practice questions greater than 50% and from NCERT tag. This ensures that this is NTA level questions, right? This is what NTA has communicated. This is NTA level questions. Till the time you have completed the syllabus, you have to remain focused on these questions. After that, you can do whatever you want. And finally, we will take you back to NCERT to revise. We will take you back to NCERT to revise. How will we do this? Let me tell you. We have done it for one chapter right now, digestion and absorption. I will show you how it works, right? So you come to course content. This is available on the website right now. It is not on the app. So go to questions. Select digestion and absorption, zoology, digestion and absorption, NCERT filter. Good. Now these are all NCERT questions, right? Now let us go to one question. Brunner's gland occurs in. So I attempted this. I got it right. I am also beginning to understand NCERT. You will see this blue button called NCERT reference. Click on this. It will show up. There are these 2 points which are related to NCERT, out of which this question has been created. So click on this and you will reach the place where this thing is discussed. In duodenum, glands are also present in some mucosa, right? There is another reference. If you want to go there, some mucosal glands, Brunner's glands also help in this. So what we have done, we have taken you back to NCERT. We started, what did we do? We told you watch videos and take notes, then read NCERT, then practice questions based on NCERT, then go back to NCERT and revise. This is the way we are ensuring that you will continuously keep your focus in NCERT. The target is every day we'll try and do one chapter. Right now digestion and absorption is done. We will keep doing one chapter each. Hopefully next 30 days we will finish up this whole thing. Tell me in the comment section whether you understood what I'm trying to say and whether you are able to see it and whether you are enjoying this. All right, students.